Here I have OPPO R17 Pro, and let me show you how to accomplish wipe data on this device by using the OPPO recovery mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by holding down the power key for a few seconds. Let's here hold down the power button, swipe down to switch off the device, and let's wait a few seconds. Then you have to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys for a few seconds. Release both keys as soon as OPPO logo pops up. And this is the OPPO recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key, or you can simply tap the screen. So let me choose English, let me select right now wipe data. So let's enter the verification code, let me do it. And here you can accomplish the format data. You can erase everything right here by tapping this option. Let me tap format data. So formatting data will erase all user information. That's what I need. Let me tap OK, and the device is whipping all personal data. Alright, formatting the data partition was accomplished successfully. Tap OK, and right now the device is restarting and rebooting into a normal mode, so you have to wait a few seconds until the welcome panel pops up on the screen. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so now you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.